Good morning, students. Today topic of discussion will be variable attributes that we use in PL SQL, right? Why we need variable attributes in PL SQL? Basically, when we are trying to embed SQL in PL SQL, then we need these kind of variables. So we will discuss one by one. Now, what is a variable attribute and why do we need them in PL SQL? So basically, variable attribute is used to declare the variables uh, in a program when we are trying to embed SQL in PL SQL, right? So basically, we are using a table, and in that particular table, we are having different column name. And now the column name that we want to use in PL SQL code, so the data type and precision that should match basically. So for that we can use variable attribute. Okay, when we declare PL SQL variables to hold column values, it must be of correct data type and precision. Otherwise, error will occur during execution. So PL SQL provides the facility to declare variables without having to specify a particular data type. So we can use two options. We have a percentage type and we have percentage row type in PL SQL. Okay. Now, what is percentage type attribute? So percentage sign is basically it is used to indicate attributes. So any kind of attribute that we are using in PL SQL, so we have to use percentage sign before that. So what is the use of percentage type attribute? Percentage type attribute is used to declare variables according to the already declared variable or database column. That means if we are trying to embed SQL in PL SQL code, in that case we are using some kind of database, SQL database, that is your table. So what kind of restrictions we are having? The column name that we want to use in PL SQL code, the data type and the precision and the other information, they should match basically. So what is the way how to declare in of correct data type and precision and other information? First of all, we have to describe the table, then we will check each individual column, their data type, their width. So that is very tedious process, right? So to avoid that, we can use percentage type attribute. It is used when you are declaring individual. That means we are taking a different variable for each column name, and the data type and precision of the variable declared using percentage type attribute is same as that of column that is referred from a given table. So basically, what does it mean? That percentage type attribute, it helps to assign the same data type, the width and the precision and the other information also that we are using in the table to PL SQL variables, right? And if we are using if we are changing any kind of data type, the width, so that will be automatically updated if we are using the concept of percentage type. So what is the syntax for declaring variable with the help of percentage type? We have to write first of all variable name, that you can give any name, and then we are using a space, then we are using table name from which we are referring the data, then dot operator, then column name for which we are using this variable to hold the value of this column name to this variable basically, and then we are using percentage type. Okay. Now we are trying to understand the concept of percentage type through an example. So suppose this is your table emp that is uh, available in SQL database, right? So the column name of the table is employee number, e-name and salary, and this is the data that is available in this table. So we want to write a program to display salary of an employee with specific employee number from emp table. So basically what we are doing here, we are trying to embed SQL in PL SQL code. Otherwise earlier we were just using normal programming. Okay. So in this case we need declare section because we want to declare some variables that is related with the table, right? So first in declare section we are taking salary variable name, and salary basically that will hold the value of this salary of any particular employee that will be entered by the user at runtime. So basically in this salary we are using the concept of percentage type to declare the variable. So this is your variable name, and then this is your table name, that is emp dot operator. Then this is your column name, cell, that we are referring from the table. So we are taking same as that we have used in table. Okay. Then we are using percentage type. So now the data type and other information that will be automatically assigned to this variable, and it will be same as that of cell of your table, right? Now we are taking another variable, that is e code, which is used to represent the employee number basically. So again we are using the same syntax. E code, that is variable name, this is your table name dot operator, and e code is used for emp number, this one, percentage type. Okay, now in begin, this is the normal concept how we are going to enter through user. So we are using simple assignment operator, then ampersand reference variable name, that means employee number that will be entered by user to fetch the salary basically. Now we are using select statement, simple select cell, this cell basically, into salary from emp, where employee number is equal to this e code, right? That will be provided by the user. And now we are just displaying the salary of the employee. So that is all about percentage type. Okay. Now what is percentage row type? Percentage row type attribute describes a record type that represents a row in a table. That means we are using a variable name, a single variable name for complete row, right? So what will be the syntax that we are going to use? We are using variable name, then table name, and then we are not assigning different column names because we are taking complete row at a time. So table name, then percentage row type, simple. Okay. So now if we are trying to understand the concept with the help of example, so write a PL SQL program to print the information of a particular employee from emp table using percentage row type. In declare section, we are declaring a variable. Suppose that variable name is employee. That will be one variable for complete row, right? And then we are using the table name, percentage row type. Now, if we are using the concept of percentage row type, how we are going to access the different column name? That will be accessed through dot operator. So that point we have to remember. Now in begin, we want to show the complete information. So we are taking star, that means for all columns, right? Select star into employee, that is your this variable name, and that is for complete row. Okay, from emp where employee number is 101. Now if we want to display the e name, so how we are going to display it? In this package we are just using this variable name, that is employee dot operator e name, that is your first column name of table that we want to display. Okay, and then we want to display salary also, so we are just using this variable name dot operator, then column name, any column that you want to display in your program. So this is the concept of percentage row type in PL SQL. Okay, now I hope you will implement these programs, and please write these programs in your practical file too. Thank you.